bring back to a small size 130 like this and 150. Yeah, you can do different things here in your CRC attribute. Yeah, when I save it and I run it again, we will get like this output. See? Yeah. So welcome guys. Let me hope you are doing well. Yeah, in this video I'm going to tell you about HTML attribute. What does it mean by attribute in HTML programming language? So first of all, we have to understand what HTML attribute means. Yeah, HTML attributes are special words used inside the opening tags, right, to control the element behavior. Yeah, HTML attribute provides additional information about HTML elements, right? Remember that we have seen that an element in HTML is a combination of open tags, content, and closing tag, right? So this HTML attribute is provide additional information about HTML element. It's always specified include in opening or starting tag, right? Yeah, as you know, and usually come in name and value. It's like a pair. Yeah, otherwise it's written in form of name value. Yeah, where we write name equal then value, right? Yeah, let us take an example here. For example, let us insert image in our HTML page, right, by using HTML attribute. Yeah, to do this we are going to use an attribute called source, right? Yeah, as I said, the syntax, let me use comment here to show you how it looks like, right? Yeah, like this. Then attribute can be written as in syntax of attribute. Yeah, it's written like this. We have to write like CRC equal to then vary like this, right? This is an example, meaning that is what here we have to put the value of this CRC. So this is an example of an attribute. Generally we'll write name of that attribute then value of that attribute, right? So we are going to do example for CRC attribute, which is called source attribute, right? It's written, can be written like this, source like this, CRC. Yeah, this is used for finding or use it to specify the location of an external file, right? To find out the external file like image, video, audio, script, and iframe, right? Yeah, that's why I told you that we are going to use this attribute to insert the image in this HTML page, right? So now, but remember, everything must be written in the body. This was error. Now we have to write it in the body, as you know, in the syntax, right? Then we are going now to insert the image in this HTML page by using this CRC attribute, right? Image. Then as you see in this syntax, we have to write like CRC, which is equal to then value. Value is the link or path of that image, right? Then I can now come in my this PC to find out the picture that I want to use in that in that HTML page, right? I can now select like this one, then right click to find out its path. See here, copy as path, right? Then I have copied and come in my HTML program and then paste it here, right? And you have to make sure that it's bordered by only 2 double quotations. Then after this, we have now to give it a size, because as default size it takes all entire screen, but we have now to specify the tags, the size of this image. You can now write like width to give this image specific width, which is equal to like 120. Then also we need height of this image, which is equal to like 115, right? Then I can now cross this HTML attribute, which is CRC, right? So now when I run this program, I will get an output which displays this image. Yeah, right. So let us run it to show you an output, and I can save it as image like this, then save it, and we can run by using this Chrome, right? You have to select it, but let us use Google Chrome to see an output, right? This is our output, as you see. Yeah, so you can use different attributes, but for us this is one that used for the images. We can now change, we can now write 300 and like 500. So also we can now use like our heading to write a simple program by using what we already ran. We can now write HTML example in our heading. Then I can copy this statement here. I can change it here. I think everyone now is how this will be changed based on this or headings number, right? If say heading number 3, you know how it's different from heading number 2, right? Heading number 4, and you know that the last one, which is too small, is heading number 6. So here you can also use paragraph. We already learned it, how you can use the paragraph and say that this is the end, right? Yeah, you can write like this and then save it and learn it again. Yeah, by learning it, you will see an output looks like this. You see, I already changed the size of our picture. That's why it looks like larger than the first one. So I can now also bring back to a small size, 130 like this and 150. Yeah, you can do different things here in your CRC attribute. Yeah, when I save it and I run it again, we will get like this output. See? Yeah, so this is how you can use an attribute in your HTML program. So there are different attributes. This is the first one, which is called CRC, used for external files like image, video, audio, and so on. They are what we call hypertext reference, href. This is used for hyperlinks when you want to open links in the HTML website, right? So they are also what we call alt, provide alternative text for image. Is when our image is not visible, it can be represented by using the text, right? They are what we call id, used to give id number for like text or input type. And also they are what we call class, style, title, disable, placeholder, read only, and so on. So there are different attributes that you can use in your HTML program. So what you need to do is to subscribe this channel so as to get all lessons, because all of these we will learn it in the next days. Yeah, and also please share this video to your colleagues, and also if it's helpful for you, it's time to like it. So for those who have any question or idea, you can text your question in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one.